Hello, we will make a unique earring stand from popsicle sticks. Let's start. First, we will take 4 popsicle sticks. Draw a line up and down from the scale on the first 2 popsicle sticks. Then similarly draw a line up and down the middle on the other 2 popsicle sticks. Then we'll cut both popsicle sticks according to the number shown. Now glue the edges of these 4 popsicle sticks and then make the top of the earring stand. Then we will make circle in 2 popsicle sticks and cut them into 4 parts. Then glue the top of the stand together with these 4 popsicle sticks and glue them together. This is our earring stand. Now hang 6 small hangers in it. I will make a video on making small hangers soon. By hanging the earring in the earring stand, we can use it as an ornament. This is our earring stand out of popsicle sticks is ready. If you like on a video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.